Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Today what we're going to do is look at a shutter, but it's not one that I do all the time. They're called double hung shutters. We're going to talk about why you may want to do it and then what it does for you. So here we are in a bathroom environment, nice shower, but what you have next to that is the street. And so you don't want to have this window open because if you're like me, you like privacy. So I have it dark on purpose, but if you look over here, you're going to see that we actually have a shutter that we've already installed. And typically, when you do a shutter like this, you have a number of options. So for example, you can close the entire shutter so that you can have it all closed, and then they make either with a divider rail, which is kind of what this is right here, but you have the ability to do it with a divider rail or a split tilt so you can see over the top. But do you see out there? I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit here just so you can get it, because I think it's a great look. You see this view? Beautiful mountains, and it's very nice to look at. So as a result, do you really want to have that completely covered with this shutter all the time? Those lines constantly there? There's nothing wrong with it, but with that view, that's why we consider doing a double hung shutter. You probably already noticed this line. That's a gap, and it enables you to have the shutter on the top and the bottom operate separately. So now you could take this section, close it up, and take it off to the side. So it's stacked off to the side. Now the client was very happy, we need better light. The client was very happy with this overall look of being able to do that, because now when you look out, you can see out in the view and you still have the bottom shutter there for the privacy that you need. And if you want a little bit more light, you can always control this one as well, control which direction it is. But it gives you tons and tons of options. So when you're doing a shutter, just make sure that you are aware of all the different options that are going to be relevant for you. This, as I said, is a double hung shutter. We don't do it that often, and one of the reasons why is because they move a little bit, and getting that gap like you saw that I created there is not easy to do, especially when you see that we were building the work into this real tile. And you can see it on the inside here. Not easy to do. So we were able to get everything done exactly as we needed to, and in the end, it's just a great overall look. And again, when you're doing shutters or doing any other type of window treatment, make sure you consider all your options so you can choose the perfect solution for you. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog.